Today, our workshop is called Own Your Journey, and it's all about women coming together and figuring out their next step in their career path. Today, we talked about how to amplify your voice, how to advocate for yourself, and in general, how to build an atmosphere for women that's empowering and that really encourages career progression.
We are talking about how women can own their skills, how can they build their confidence, how can they be more ready for a workplace whenever there needs to be one.
It's an amazing opportunity to learn new things, to develop your skills and develop your personality.
It's a really good dynamic, and we already learned on how to make ourselves a bit more aware or louder, and how to see more clarity in our growth and our future.
I believe that when we do that together in a group, it really makes it even better to do this and to walk this path together.